Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how I made this simple banner here. Alright, let's dive into the main reason why we're here. First of all, open Pixellab app. Open Pixellab app. The second thing to do is remove the default text and change the size of your design. Change the size of the background. Use the size I used. The next thing to do is to add your background color. I'll be using a gradient. Okay, I'll be using a gradient, and I copied the color, one of the colors of the gradient. The other color is white, so one of the color I copied it, so I'll have to paste it. Okay, you can choose to use the color I used, or you can choose to use your own color. Just make sure the color combination matches. Alright, okay, I'm going to paste my color code here and continue creating my gradient. The next color I'll add is white. Then I'll continue creating my gradient. I've achieved the gradient I want to use. This is the gradient I want to use, and this is how I want to place it. So you can choose to place yours anyhow you want, depending on how your design looks like, or how you want your design to look like. Alright, the next thing to do is to start importing my design resources. Which is what I am doing. Okay, I have to place this very well so that it will align very well. So increase the size and place it very well. Alright, okay, so the next thing to do is to lock it so that I won't mistakenly shift it and import a shape. Reduce the opacity and increase the stroke. Then add the blurriness of the stroke. I'm still trying to align or arrange my background very well the way I want it to be. So I'll arrange the blurriness of the stroke. I will increase it to my taste, or to the way I want it to look like. Okay, then I'll adjust it very well to be placed very well. So I'm trying to increase the size of that particular design resource. Okay, then I'll adjust very well so that it will stand out. Okay, the next thing to do is to import my next design resource, which is a man holding a house. So I'll have to change where it's facing and place it very well. Adjust the size and place it very well. And don't forget, whenever you are creating a design, make sure to lock your layers so that you won't mistakenly shift them. That's creating more work for you. So I had to shift them because I needed to increase the size a little bit. Then place my material, which is what I'm using to create the design. I'll adjust the size and place it very well to be at the center, to align very well. The next thing is to add another of the resource I'm using, which is a filled PNG. Yeah, a filled PNG. The design resources used for this design is down below on the description box, so you can go there and take the design, and you can go there to get the link to download the design resources. Okay, alright, so I'll have to adjust everything to align properly, because alignment and balancing is very, very important in creating designs. The next thing I did was to import my logo, the logo I used, then change the color. So always make sure you lock your elements, or you lock your layers, design layers, so that you won't mistakenly scatter what you've arranged. So I'll start adding my text. I'll add background to my text and add color to the background. Add background to my text and add color to the background. Then I'll have to change the font of my text. I'm using Monserat. You can download it from a font site, dafont.com. So I'll adjust the color of the background text, of the background of the text, to reduce the size and align everything properly. Okay, take my time to align everything properly. So I had to shift my logo in place so that I can place everything in order. Alright. I'm trying to get everything to be well aligned. Okay. So I lock. Don't forget to always lock your design layers. I've said it more than once. So I'll add my shape. Add the color to my shape. It's a very simple design. It's simple but looks awesome. So I'll adjust the position of the shape, place it very well. Alignment and balancing is very, very important, so you have to make sure your design is aligned properly. The text and the design resources you're using, whatever, everything should be aligned properly. So I moved over to my logo. I placed my logo very well. Then I want to add the text, the name of the brand, Jokan Estate. I'll change the font. I'm still using Monserat. I'll use the semi-bold. Monserat bold, sorry. Monserat bold. That's what I will be using. That's what I used, sorry. Alright. I'll adjust the size and the position. To get a very nice design. Okay. Don't forget to always lock your layers. So you won't mistakenly scatter what you've arranged. You can see how this is coming out. It's actually coming out nice. Yeah. So I make sure I lock my layers. This is the last text I'll be adding. I'll adjust the size to fit under this text, the Jokan, the name of the brand, name of the company. I'll adjust this to fit under it. You can see that the fonts I'm still using is Monserat. I actually used one font for this design. So to make your design look simple. Then I arranged everything, placed it very well. Okay. You can see I'm done. I'm through. So I have to save it as a project so that in case I want to change anything, I can edit it anytime. Then and also save it as an image. I saved it as Ultra for printing sake. That's why I saved it as Ultra. Thanks for watching and God bless you. And please don't forget to subscribe.